Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manually remote control your VIOMI S9 Alpha vacuum robot. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and make sure that our VIOMI S9 has been connected to the app prior to this. And then we're going to open up our robot cleaner inside of the app and then click on the three dots on the top right to open up the settings of our robot cleaner. Then scroll down to other settings and click on remote control. So this is going to allow you to remote control your robot. So for example, if it's stuck somewhere where you can reach, this is the easiest way to get it out of that spot. So we can click on these buttons right here to make your robot start moving, depending on the buttons that you press. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.